back to our channel Live Review. So today I'm doing the unboxing of a travel adapter. So when you travel you need something very small so that you can plug it on, maybe on a railway. On the train you have the small plug points near your seats, or when traveling in the airports, in the airplane, you need something very handy which you can keep in your pocket or in your side bag, which you can just immediately bring it out and just plug it in and charge your devices. So I have a really big GaN charger for all of my devices, but that is almost this big, and that is not very handy to carry around in your pocket. So yeah, I thought I will buy something which is very small. So this is the best that I could find in Amazon. This is from Portronics. This is a GaN charger, 20 watts, so not that slow. And let me tell you a little bit more about this. This is the Adapto 20 Lite, smallest adapter, 20 fast charger. So PD, advanced GaN technology, C2C, as you can see. Minimalist design, of course. So I would have also preferred that if this wing was not there, it would have been even smaller, but yeah, I'm not sure why they included this. Anyways, smart protection, of course. And yeah, Portronics, blah blah blah. MRP of this was $9.99, but I think I got this for around 400 rupees. I'll put the link of this below, you can check that out. So this is made in India. This is 1 year warranty. That is nice. Okay, let's bring this out and I will show you FSC. Okay, let's bring this out. Okay, so I have brought this out, yeah, and made a mess in the process. So inside we had this warranty card, registered and warranty, sign and stamp date. Okay, and this is the one. This is very small, as you can see, and I would say this is also quite heavy based on this size. Shiny finish on the surface. This is the type C. Okay, that is nice. Little bit of green tint inside, and Portronics branding. And let's see, Portronics model number Adapto 20 Lite, 20 watt GaN charger. So this is nice. I really wanted something like this, but again, as I was saying, they could have done well to just remove this wings. It would have made it even smaller, which I would have preferred, and it could just easily fit inside your pocket or something. So yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment. I'll answer each and every one of you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our other videos here. Goodbye.